Not only is this very well maintained home in a great neighborhood, but it has great updates and lots of space to offer. The main floor has 3 bedrooms and laundry on the main floor. There is beautiful hardwood flooring and large, sunny windows throughout. The kitchen has been updated recently with beautiful cherry cabinetry, new countertops and stainless steel appliances. The basement has a fresh remodel with new carpet in the 2 spacious bedrooms, laminate flooring and new paint throughout the large family room. There is a 3/4 bath and the utility room is massive, providing lots of storage space or perhaps a workshop. New vinyl windows and water heater were updated in 2019, furnace in 2018 and a radon mitigation system has been installed. The double garage walks into the kitchen and laundry area and walks out to a patio in the fenced yard full of flowerbeds and mature trees. An 8x18 shed offers a great storage space.